You'll need a white ceramic mug, your favorite color Sharpies, paper, a pencil, scissors, and painter's tape. Let's get started. To begin, draw whatever shape you'd like to draw onto your mug. I'm doing a heart. Then cut out your shape. Take a few pieces of your painter's tape and tape it onto the back of your shape. Now secure it onto your mug. Grab your Sharpies and start placing dots all around your design. Continue doing that until you've got all the dots you want. Once all of your dots are on your mug, you can remove your paper shape. Now it's time to bake your mug. This will seal in all the colors. It's also important to know that your mug will be hand wash only. You could also add a layer of Mod Podge after baking to keep your design intact longer after washing. And there you have it, your very own Sharpie mug. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check back next week for our upcoming Blue Moon Craft.